Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to create a Deriv app just like that, a Deriv third party app just like this guys, and I'm going to share with you how you can able to create it within 5 minutes guys, less than 5 minutes. So what you have to do is to click on description and it will take you where you can start. Just it will take you to Deriv builder. So Deriv builder site. So you take you to Deriv site builder. It will be like this guys. I have already deployed an app. For your own case, it's going to tell you to log in with your Deriv. So, and one thing I have to do is to create a site. I'm going to click create a site here. So, and after it, you can create many sites. You can see that my Deriv this thing have already been here, both my Deriv ID. So you don't need to do any extra work here. Just you have to click next. Then you can see my this thing here. I'm going to select the app ID I'm going to use because it's already on a Deriv. So I don't need to worry about it. I just need to select it. Then this one is one I've already created. So I will just name it Frank bot new test. Let's know it. Then I'm going to name it Frank FS bot. So if you already have a domain, then you click I have a domain. If you want to purchase, then you click I want to purchase. Then it will take you where you can able to purchase this place guys, whether it's this place guys. Then after you have done, then you click next. Then you click I already have my logo, click next. Then you set your site. Then after you have set your site guys, so you have to go and click next. Then you can edit all this. This is where your social link will be. You can edit it, you can remove it, or if you don't have, you can leave this one. Leave by default. Then you click review. Then you click I agree. Then you click create site. Then after it will deploy, then you are going to connect your domain. So you are going to connect your domain guys. You will connected with your domain guys. So your domain will be connected guys. So after if you don't have a domain, you can say set domain. Like you can purchase, after you have purchased a domain, you can set a domain by connecting your DNS. So if it's this domain, like I have a domain like I'm going to use, like if I don't want to use this domain, I can click Deriv app.site. I think I have this domain on my thing. I can click add a domain. So it's going to give me this DNS. So this DNS is what I'm going to add for that site guys. Let me just copy this one. I'm going to log in on my Namecheap so I can show you how to add a DNS here guys. So I'm going to add a DNS. So I'm going to copy this one. This is a CNAME. So I'm going to go to Deriv app. I'm going to go to manage. So this is where I want to add the domain guys. So I'm going to go to DNS. I'm going to advanced DNS. So I'm going to go to advanced DNS. That way I'm going to add this domain guys. So you can see it. So I'm going to remove all these ones. I'm going to remove these ones because I don't need it again. I'm going to remove all this one and add another one guys, the one that is on that side. So I'm going to add this thing. I'm going to say add new record. So I'm going to check the type. Is the type what? Type is CNAME. Then I'm going to add it. It says that is CNAME. So I'm going to select CNAME. Then it says WW. Then I'm going to add the thing here. You can see I click save change. So I'm going to check again and check this one. What did he say? He said what? Remember I later changed this Frank file site. So this one again, it says the type is what? He said that the type is what? Is this one. You can see it says that the type is what? Is a CNAME, and I have to copy the value. You can see the type is what? CNAME, and I have to copy the value and also WW. So I'm going to go to this place again. I'm going to go to Namecheap again and add the record again, and you say what is CNAME. and you say that is WW, and I'm going to add the target, which is the value. I'll say save change. Make sure you add all of them. Then I'm going to go to this thing again. I'm going to go to the thing again. Then say that this one is what, type A. So I'm going to go to what, type A, so which is at. So remember how it is, guys. So I'm going to add another what, record, which is say that this one is at. So remember it's at, not WW, and this one is a record. I will add it again. So I will go to this thing again, and remember this one again. This one is what, is type A again. So I will copy it, and it's also at. So remember how it is, guys, and I add it again. Then and add what, at, and W, add this value, guys. So now remaining the last one, which is this one. So this one is type A again, which is at again. I'm going to add it again, which is this thing again. Add the record again, and add what, at again, and add it again. So save it again. So you can see that I've added all of them. So after some few time, after some minutes, just give it, like they say that it usually take like 24 hours or less. So at times it takes like 15 minutes, then it start loading, like it start working, guys. So it start working. So if your own doesn't work, then you can actually reach me, because there may be a mistake. So this is how you can create your own site and connect your DNS within this thing. It will be like this, guys. So you start using, people will start using your site. And let me go and show you where you will start people. When you will start seeing your earning, you can see your earning at this commission. When people trade on your site, you can see the earning, like today, last month, this month. So this is where you can stay. You can actually make a setting here, like you can actually add a bot here, like you can actually add a bot here. You can actually upload your own bot. You can actually like add it as a free, but we are still working on it so that we can make it more, so that you can actually have new bots, like already made bots. So when you have done everything here, guys, so you can see that everything is down, just a drag and drop. You have a web editor. So this is the thing we have not yet, you can see. So we have deployed this one, guys. I don't know if this one is going to work, because the site, maybe the site is still need this thing, guys. It still need time to start working. So it still need a time to start working, guys. So but I don't know if it's going to work. So this is just to show you about things, guys. So we have also sites. So this is the main thing, guys. So this is, so you can see that we have deployed one. We have deployed what, one. So this is one that we have deployed. So and you can see, so and that is how to set your own this thing, guys. So and once you start earning, guys, you will just pay us commission of just 50% from your earning. So that is so simple, and we use to maintain the site and hosting on all this building we have built. So if you think that it's easy, go and build it on the Deriv, because Deriv this thing right now. If you go to Deriv API, try to create a site, you will know how hard it is, guys. So he's not a developer. We are just working hard to make sure that you, now that those of you have been asking me how to create your own Deriv site, this is how you can do it, guys. Very easy and simple, guys. That is how I just want to show you how to create a Deriv site, guys. Deriv third-party site. So if you have any question, you can drop. I just want app.site. So the one that we just Deriv app.site. So let's see if it's working, guys. You can see, wow, it's working, guys. It's working. So I'm still going to you can see that it's working, guys. I'm still going to do what? Going to customize it. So we even have AI here that can analyze market for you, guys. So we're still going to, so if I customize it, it's going to be okay, guys. You can see. So we still need to customize all these things. I'm just doing it fast so that this video won't take long, guys. So that is it, guys. So the DNS is working.